Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn why your iPhone 12 screen is black but still on and how to fix the black screen of death issue. Does this sound familiar to you? You're using iPhone 12 as usual. Suddenly the screen turns black. You tap and swipe the screen back and forth and also press the power button and volume buttons repeatedly. However, you still get a black screen on iPhone 12 and it remains unresponsive. And what's more weird is that you have an iPhone 12 black screen, but it's still working. You can hear the charging sound and feel the vibration and also get calls, texts, and other oral notifications, so you know the phone is still on but the screen goes black and blank and won't light up. If yes, don't be freaked out since you got a lot of companions. Many iPhone 12 users are reporting it. But the good news is you can fix iPhone 12 screen black but still working issue easily by yourself. Here are 4 solutions you can try to fix this problem. Choose the one you prefer and try the other one if the previous one doesn't work. When your iPhone 12 screen randomly goes black, either the software fails or the hardware fails. If the hardware fails, for example, you dropped iPhone 12 and the screen is black or the screen becomes black after water or screen replacement, locate an authorized Apple service provider in your area and schedule an appointment for them to assess and potentially repair the device. If the software fails, for example, you have a black screen not turning on because of firmware failure, malfunctioning apps, or malware, we're confident the solutions listed below should get it up and running in no time. First of all, charge. Let me ask you, when your iPhone 12 screen went black, did it show a black screen with a spinning wheel first for a few seconds and then shut down completely? If the answer is yes, then draining out the battery is the reason for the black screen issue. To remedy it, you can choose to charge your iPhone 12 using a wall power outlet or wireless charger. But I still suggest plugging your black screen iPhone 12 into a wall power outlet to charge. Make sure that you firmly connect the phone, USB cable, and charger to each other. Then, charge your iPhone 12 for 1 hour or 2 hours. Put it on a flat desk, let it charge and you can do anything you want while charging. Now, see if your iPhone 12 black screen turns on now. If the display remains black and frozen, do the next step. Next, force restart. You can do a button press combo to force turn off your device and then turn it back on to get out of the black screen. This is a way to refresh the system and remove the potential bugs causing that your iPhone 12 black screen won't turn on or charge. You don't need a computer. You don't need to risk deleting anything or resetting any settings on your phone. And you don't need to worry about making a mistake. It's pretty simple to do. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Maybe 10 to 20 seconds. iPhone 12 black screen should light up an Apple logo and then turn on. You can see the lock screen. Hope your iPhone 12 black screen gets fixed and you can now use it as normal. Then, update iOS. It's always a good idea to have your iPhone 12 up to date. You can also try this step if the iPhone 12 black screen won't force a restart. Updating the iOS system can improve phone operation performance and fix buggy app errors. Follow the steps below to update iPhone 12 when the screen is black and unresponsive. Get a Windows computer or a Mac computer. Download iTunes or Finder and launch it from your desktop first. Then, take a USB cable to plug your iPhone 12 into the computer and put the phone into recovery mode. This feature is safe and owned by Apple itself. Feel free to follow the steps below and you won't lose anything. Then, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo screen. Now, release the button when you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. Go to your computer screen, iTunes or Finder quickly will detect your device and prompt you to update or restore your device. Go with update options and complete the steps left. Once done, your iPhone 12 turns on without showing a black screen. Finally, reset data and settings. A factory reset, can quickly pause the black screen problems happening on iPhone 12. Because it ships bug fixes, a totally new iOS system, and original settings and data. And it'll clear away all the content, including the bugs. Note that this step aims to delete everything on your iPhone and return it to its original status. If you don't want to do that, you can go to an Apple repair store near you and ask for help from the expert there. If you're tight on budget or you later decide to factory reset the device, follow these steps. Plug your iPhone 12 into a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, quickly press the volume up button and release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo screen. Now, release the button when you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. Go to your computer screen, iTunes, or Finder quickly will detect your device and prompt you to update or restore your device. Choose Restore and complete the steps left. Hope the issue that your iPhone 12 screen went black but still works is successfully fixed. That's all how to fix an iPhone 12 black screen but still on. Hope this video can help turn on the black screen and let you use your device as normal. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.